go.
Oh, right on.
See, it's
You
all
know how to do
barb-less.
it, huh?
Yeah, it's all barb-less. You don't even need to touch.
Oh.
You don't even need to touch them.
Oh, that was a sweet size, though.
We got a good current going with us. Okay, let's hit another one, shall we?
Wow.
Huh?
That was amazing, Doc. That was amazing.
That's right, Mike. You're fishing with Doc.
That's right. I'm catching fish with Doc.
Okay, 42 pulls.
Okay.
$13, $15, $17, $19, $20.
There we go.
Ah, I thought I could confuse you.
Sorry, 42.
Fish, fish,
Oh, I think it's
fish, fish,
it's
fish.
bottom.
No, they're running hard in here. That's a nice one.
Oh,
Get on him, reel. Oh, that was a sweet fish.
wow.
Oh man, he broke everything.
Sorry.
No, not at all. Oh, woo! That baby hit hard.
Yeah.
No, that was a beaut. Right now, didn't mess around here. I don't want to break the tail. Wow. Wow. What we catch out here, Mike, will scare us.
Really?
Yeah, that was a nice fish.
I never heard it.
That was a sweetheart. He was.
Cutthroat
You
out
see, I was just going, and then it stopped. Oh.
Wow.
Okay, let's hook up and try again.